Hey, Arfie Bear here. I was hunting around for tutorials on doing the 50-hour service for the Kubota L2501 tractor, and although there are a ton of ones that show how to change the engine oil, there seems to be very little on changing the hydraulic fluid filters. So in appreciation for this quick but informative tutorial, click that like button now. And leave a comment saying how awesome this tutorial is, because that's what cool peeps like you would do, right? To begin, you'll need these filters and at least a gallon of this hydraulic fluid. Pause the video and note the model numbers. I'll put it in the description below too. One of these filters is clearly larger than the other. Do not mix these up or else you'll ruin them. Since just these three items cost you like $100, you're not interested in hurting them. From the perspective of sitting in your driver's seat on the tractor, the first filter we'll replace is the one on the right side. This is the larger of the two. Unpackage it and put some of the new hydraulic fluid onto the seal at the top of the filter like so. Now, I don't have an oil filter wrench because, well, that's what it's like when you're cheap in life. I do use a large pair of channel locks though to unscrew off the old one, but, well, just use an oil filter wrench if you have one. You're going to go lefty-loosey here, and when it becomes just loose enough to unscrew by hand, stick a bucket underneath it. Get ready to pull a Raiders of the Lost Ark here, making an item switch as fast as you can. But don't worry, no boulders are going to chase you if you screw up. Literally unscrew off the old one and screw the new one back on. Once the seal that you had put that hydraulic fluid on reaches and just touches the tractor, meaning that when it starts to slow down and get harder to turn, the instructions say to turn it 2/3 of a turn more. Check your filter to make sure it says the same, or if different, follow those instructions. An oil filter wrench can do this, but I find that I prefer to give my finger muscles a workout, so I simply turn it with my beautiful body. Turn it with your beautiful body too. Once that's complete, we clean up any mess and we move to the other side of the tractor where the other filter is under the step. You're going to follow the same process here. Put the hydraulic oil on the seal, like my finger is doing here. I'm starting to enjoy this process. Then start to unscrew the old filter, slip your bucket underneath, and pull the old switcheroo. This time, when you put the filter back on, once the seal touches, you will tighten it an additional 1 1/4 turn. Of course, make sure your filter says the same as mine on the instructions on its side. This is why we do the 50-hour service. Look at the little metal pieces that got caught in here in the filter. It protects your tractor to remove those at this time. Now there's an interesting thing regarding the next part, so if you miss this, you may get frustrated. So pay attention! Also, please subscribe and check out our other videos. More often than not, our skits are made to get you to laugh, so enjoy them. Now we've lost a fair amount of hydraulic fluid here and we need to replenish it. When I checked it later, it was just under 3 quarts. So how do you know when you have enough hydraulic fluid? There's no dipstick. But wait! On the deck of the tractor where you put your left foot when sitting in the chair, you'll note a sight tube. At least I think that's what it's called. And it looks like a white circle. When the fluid is at the right level, you'll see it in there. Of course, make sure your tractor is sitting on level ground and was not just running a second ago. So let's pop the driver's seat, and on the back is an obvious red input for the hydraulic oil that literally says oil. Using a funnel, gradually fill it. Go back and check the sight tube, and then you've done your tractor good. She is a happy tractor. After screwing the red oil cap back on, clean any messes. And for your funnel, I usually use Brake Clean, brake parts cleaner, to clean it for future use. Like and subscribe, mi amigos. Leave a friendly comment below and check out some of our funny and awesome other videos. Until next time.